Yeah. I didn't think that I had a debt to pay, till there came to take all I had left away. You said you wouldn't put me to the test today, but I remembered you saying that yesterday. There was a time when your mind wasn't out of control. Every memory of confession pouring out of your soul, like a pill you couldn't swallow and it swallowed you whole. Another lie hard to follow till it followed you home, and like that,
broken down, a victim of your lies. You left behind lies. You don't know why. You crossed the line, wrapped up inside your lies. You left behind lies. You're lost inside that cold disguise behind your lies.
I don't know what you thought I might say. Seems like you never would talk the right way. Every other minute I fought for my place and dropped what I made and thought you might stay. So I'm guessing that you probably know, when your inside's hollow then you ought to be cold. Like a pill I couldn't swallow and it swallowed me whole. Another lie hard to follow till